Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful square. I saw this on Pinterest and there was a photo and a chart, but this chart doesn't match with the photo. And I made some changes and I really like it with this way. I hope you like it too. And I want to make something with this square, but I'm not sure yet. What can I do with this? Please leave your comments about this. I like to hear your idea. Maybe it could be a table runner, something like that, because I think that's a little too it's a too much hole for a blanket. Maybe with a size 4 yarn it could be a blanket, but hi. Hi Checo. He will wait for you too. And for this one I used 3.5mm hook and category 2 yarns. That's Gazal and Yarn Art Baby Cotton. Gazal Baby Cotton and Yarn Art Baby Cotton. I use these two together. It's actually almost same yarn. And that's all. He won't let me speak. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Start with a slip knot, then make 10 chains. Insert from this first chain, make a slip stitch. Now we are going to work into this space. Chain 3, we will make 2 trebles together. That's the first one. Count this as the first one. Yarn over twice, insert into this ring, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then grab the yarn and pull through. That's the first one. Chain 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the space, work around this tail 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Pull through 2. We are gonna repeat this totally for 12 times. We made 3 now. Four, chain 2, 5. Repeat this. Make it 12 times. See you at the end. I made 12 treble clusters. Chain 2 and join from this first stitch. Then you can make one more chain. Cut this yarn, grab the second color, insert any place, any two chain space. One, two, three, four chains. This time I'm gonna make four double treble together, four double treble cluster. That's the first one. Yarn over third time, insert into the space, pull through two, pull through two, pull through two, sorry, and leave it. One, two, three. One, two, three. I have four loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Chain 5. Yarn over third times, and into this two chain space I'm gonna make a cluster. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through all, chain 5. And for this row we are going to repeat this. You can make a 4 double crochets cluster into each space. You will have 12 of them. See you at the end. When you reach to the end, make 5 chains and join with a slip stitch on the top of this cluster. Cut this yarn and join from any 5 chain space. Chain 3. And now we are gonna make treble clusters. That's the first one. Second and third. This time we are gonna make them with 3 trebles. Yarn over, pull through, chain 3. I'm gonna make another one in the same space. 1, 2, 3. Close it. Then chain 5. That's our corner. Yarn over twice, make 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Close it, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and close it. So we made cluster 3 chains, a cluster 5 chains, cluster 3 chains, and a cluster. Okay, chain 5. On the top of this next cluster here, make a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert here, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all. Chain 5. Skip this space, skip this cluster, and into this next space. Make this corner one more time. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. One, two, three, and one more cluster. Close it, chain 5, make a half double crochet, skip this and skip the space into the next cluster's eye, make a half double, skip here and this cluster and make a corner. Just repeat this, complete this row. And then I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and join from the top of this cluster. Make a chain, cut the yarn. We are gonna use the white. Insert from any corner 5 chain space. Make 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Chain 1 and 3 more single crochets. Chain 1, skip this cluster. Into this 3 chain space, 3 single crochets. Chain 1. Into this 5 chain space, make 5 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1, skip here, make 5 single crochets into this 5 chain space. Chain 1, skip this cluster, make 3 single crochets. Chain 1, skip this one, make 3 single crochets. Chain 1 and 3 more. Skip this one, make 3, sorry, we are gonna make a chain here. 1, 2, 3, make a chain and make 5, chain 1, skip this one, 5, chain 1, skip this, 3, chain 1, skip this one, 3, chain 1, 3. Keep repeating, see you at the end. I made last 3. Turn from this first single crochet. For the last row, we are gonna use pink and insert into any 1 chain space into this corner. Chain 2, we're gonna make 2 double crochets together, so you learn all the all kind of clusters with this one square. Yarn over, insert into same place, grab the yarn, pull through, and that's 2 double crochets together. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 3 into the same place, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all. We made one more cluster here. Chain 3 into this one chain space, make 2 double crochets together. Chain 3 into this one chain space, make 2 double crochets together. Chain 5 into this one chain space, work a cluster. Chain 5, make a cluster into the one chain space. We will always use this one chain spaces, so I'm not gonna repeat it. Chain 3, chain 3, we're at the corner again, so that's the one chain space. It's a little hard to see this, so if you want you can put a stitch marker while you are working these corners, of course, in the 1, 2, 3, 4th row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, make one more, chain 3, and make a cluster. If you have 3 single crochets here, chain 3. If you have 5, chain 5. That's simple. Just keep going, complete this row. Then you're gonna make 3 chains, turn on the top of the cluster, first cluster, cut this yarn, and you can hide this tail now. That's all. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Etsy, Instagram, website, Ravelry, and blah blah address. You can find me anywhere you want. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.